Hi, I'm Brad Heimbigner. I'm calling on behalf of Klahanie Service Center. I'm the owner. We are located on the Sammamish Plateau, also known as Klahanie Chevron. I wanted to let you all know we are open for business as usual. We are open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m., but our repair shop is still open, our gas pumps are still open, and our store is still open. We are performing the CDC guidelines for disinfecting every hour, our pumps, our store, all our door handles and everything. So we are using all the guidelines to keep this place very clean. We are also taking precautions when we work on your car. We will be cleaning the inside with disinfected towels on the steering wheel and anything that we touch. We haven't been getting a problem with parts, so getting your car worked on is still full go right now. Number two, the road closure coming up here next week. So it is April 13th. Issaquah Fall City Road closes from 247th to Klahanie Drive. So it'll be a little different getting to our station, especially if you're coming from places like downtown Issaquah or the Issaquah Highlands. You'll have to go through Klahanie the other way. That is going to be an 8th-month closure, but we expect to be fully operational all the way through that closure. It just may take a little bit more time to come and see us. So we look forward to seeing you. We hope everyone stays very healthy and safe, and give us a call if you have any questions at all.